Some people think that Windows and Linux, they're the enemy of each other. They hate each other. But today I'm going to prove that it's totally fake, it's totally false. And previously we have seen that if you want to install Linux on your Windows machine, you have to partition your disk, you have to make a separate partition, or you have to install a virtual machine. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Linux on your Windows machine without any virtual machine, without any partition. So when you're ready, let's get started. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. Actually, I have installed Linux on my another computer, and this computer doesn't have so much space on C drive, so I'm just gonna show you the procedure you have to follow. It's very simple. Just from your computer, open up your Microsoft Store, then search for Linux, then click here and choose any of these versions. Maybe Ubuntu, I like Ubuntu. You can choose another one. It's very simple. Just click here and click get. You don't have to do anything, just click get and install on your computer, and as usual do anything with your Ubuntu. So I'm again sorry because I don't have so much space on my C drive. I can show you how on the next procedure, but it's very simple. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you got help by this video, and if you really like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. See you next time. Until then, take care.